Monday, December 23rd. Wow. 2 days. 2 days. I forgot to take my phone yesterday. We went on a little tour and we dropped off gifts for my hairstylist, our hairstylist, Vicky, and her family, and some friends of ours. And then we did a little tour of the area that Ian does for the Christmas bird count. And I'm going to tag along with him in the morning, because why not? He did hear of a sighting of a snowy owl, but we didn't see it. Actually, we saw I think we saw one crow, which doesn't bode well for the Christmas bird count, but we'll see. It'll be an outing. It's supposed to be cold. I think it's supposed to be -8. And there, of course, will be a wind chill. But I think it's supposed to be partly sunny, which won't be so bad. But before that happens, there's other stuff, right? Christmas is happening between now and then. So I don't think I've told you that our daughter Holly, and our honorary son-in-law, Tom, are doing Christmas dinner this year. And I can't tell you how thrilled about that I am. I've not been feeling terribly festive. I've been trying really, really hard, and I've been putting a lot of effort into trying really, really hard, but it's just not there. And I don't think I'm feeling I'm still a little down about being sick, and whatever. But anyway, enough of that. Yes, they're doing Christmas dinner, and I am providing the spanakopita, and I am going to make a bûche de Noël, and I am going to start that today. I did make the get ahead gravy, and I gave them a good container of that. And I did get the turkey, because I always save up my PC points from the grocery store for the year, and end up with quite a lot of PC points. And I usually buy my Christmas groceries, the turkey, and all the little doodads that go with turkey and the day. I buy that with my points. So I told Holly that I would buy the turkey this year. And turkeys are crazy. I think the turkey I got was, wow, it was a big boy this year. I think he was like 9 kilograms, almost 9 kilograms. It was over $50. So I got a free turkey, basically. So that's okay. I'm okay with that. So between now and what is it? It's 10:30, something like that. I don't know. I think it's 10:30. And this afternoon we are expecting a big snowstorm for the afternoon and overnight. And I think we're supposed to get close to 15 centimeters. So I have gone out and I have cleared off the bird table, and I've put birdseed out on the railing, and I put birdseed out on the bird table for all those 2 little juncos that we've been getting. Although when it's weather like this, we get a few more juncos, and we've had some mourning doves. And I've heard blue jays, but they haven't stopped in the backyard. And I did notice, actually, when I came in, got all undressed, I did notice that I need to top up the bird bath. So I'll have to do that later today too. But I think it is time to start. I'm doing the sponge cake for the bûche de Noël today, and then do the rest of it tomorrow. I'm going to make meringue mushrooms as well, so I might do those today too. I think I will, because after that, I don't really have a whole lot planned. I don't have a whole lot planned. So I may do some more crocheting. I am begging off knitting for a while, because my finger is still a little tender, and I'm kind of worried about it. But I'm gonna try and not knit till after Christmas. But I have been working, excuse me, I have been working on my granny square blanket. And I'm liking it. I'm just gonna keep on crocheting. I've been using up a lot of my scraps. They're not scraps. It's beautiful yarn. But I've been using up some of my leftovers from all sorts of projects. Hats and socks and hats and shawls. So I've been working on that. And that doesn't, I don't use that finger when I crochet. So, I'll just push back a bit there. So yeah, so that's, like I said, that's it. I'm gonna carry on with my my cake. Ian is off doing a couple of chores. He is getting the nuts tightened on the tires because we had the we had the winter tires put on last week, I think. And he's gonna go and pick up his medication. Speaking of which, I think I need to call mine in. I think I have enough for a week, but I'm gonna call it in. Anyway, babble, babble, babble. So on I go, and maybe I'll take a shot of the cake when I'm done. I'm going to try, since I didn't post a picture of the truffles in my last post, I will try and get a picture of the truffles that I made. But anyway, on I go with the morning. And I will probably talk to you this afternoon. Bye. And my earrings. Oh, I needed some sparkly earrings this morning. So I put my sparkly snowflakes on this morning. So there you go. See you this afternoon. Bye. And there it is, all rolled up. Cooling down, and tomorrow I will make the actual push to Noel. But right now it's time for a cup of tea and then meringue mushrooms. There's the little juncos. They found seed. I didn't put seed up there. I put seed along the railing, but they were on the railing. The snow has started. They said it would start around now, and look, they were actually right. There's the meringue mushrooms. Now they get popped in the oven, 200 degrees for a couple of hours, or a little less. I'll keep on checking. There they are, out of the oven. Do a little bit of work on them, but that's okay. And it's still snowing. The flakes are a little bit bigger. It's about, I don't know, what time is it? 5 o'clock. Last check, it's about 7 o'clock and it's still snowing. I think maybe we'll get a white Christmas, Ian. There's a little video of the front. Just as much snow in front as there is out back. I'm going to say goodnight for now. See you tomorrow.